If you've ever thought investing feels complicated, maybe even overwhelming, let me stop you right there. In 2025, investing has never been more accessible. With just your phone, you can open an account in less than 5 minutes and start building wealth today. But here's the thing, not all online brokers are created equal. Some offer huge bonuses, others give you expert guidance, and a few hide fees you don't see coming. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the top online stockbrokers for 2025, so you don't waste time or money on the wrong platform. We won't confuse you with 20 different names. Instead, we'll focus on the most trusted and researched brokers so you can choose wisely. And remember, check out the exclusive links in the description below. Many of these brokers offer special promotions or bonuses when you sign up through those links. Alright, let's jump in. First on the list is SoFi. Now, SoFi isn't just a broker, it's an entire financial ecosystem. But the big reason it's making headlines in 2025 is the sign-up bonus. Fund your account with just $50, and you could earn up to $3,000 in free stock. Pros? You'll love that SoFi has no commissions on stock trading, plus the ability to buy fractional shares starting at just $5. They also give you access to alternative investments like commodities, which most beginner-friendly apps don't. On top of that, the interface is smooth, and everything from banking to investing sits under one app. The downside is that while the chance of scoring $3,000 sounds amazing, the actual probability of getting that top-tier bonus is extremely slim. Plus, some advanced traders feel SoFi lacks the depth of research tools compared to bigger platforms. Still, if you're a beginner or someone looking for commission-free trades and the chance to snag a big bonus, SoFi is a strong choice. And remember, you can check the exclusive link in the description for the latest SoFi offers. Next up, Public.com. If you want an investing platform that feels modern, social, and built for transparency, Public is where you should look. What makes Public stand out is its flexibility. You can invest with as little as $1, buy fractional shares, and access alternative assets like fine art, luxury goods, and even royalties. And yes, everything is commission-free on stocks and ETFs. The pros are clear. It's beginner-friendly, has an active community, and even gives you access to US Treasuries for safer investments. The cons? Because it's newer, Public doesn't yet have the same depth of research and educational content as some of the legacy brokers. But if you want a clean, community-driven app that supports small-dollar investing and gives you exposure to assets beyond just stocks, Public deserves serious consideration. Again, check the description link for an exclusive sign-up offer. Third, let's talk about the Motley Fool. This one is different. It's not a trading platform. It's a research powerhouse. With a Motley Fool membership, you get 2 expert-selected stock picks every month, access to ETF allocation insights, rankings, quant scores, and deep dive reports. This isn't about day trading. It's about building wealth with carefully researched, long-term plays. The advantage is obvious. Expert recommendations that have historically outperformed the market when followed over time. But the downside is that it's subscription-based, and if you're looking for instant trades, this isn't where you go. That said, pairing the Motley Fool with one of the trading platforms we mentioned today can give you both the strategy and the tools you need. Don't miss the link below if you want discounted access. Now, let's talk about a household name, Robinhood. Love it or hate it, Robinhood changed the game with commission-free trading, and it continues to innovate in 2025. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and even options without fees. You get 24-hour markets, IPO access, and here's the big one, Robinhood offers the only IRA with a 1% match. Plus, with Robinhood Gold, you can earn 5% APY on your uninvested cash. The pros are clear. 0 commissions, innovative features like fractional shares and IPOs, and that unmatched 1% IRA match. But the cons? Robinhood has faced criticism in the past for outages and for not always putting education first. It's more about access than hand-holding. If you want a sleek platform with round-the-clock trading and generous features for both cash and retirement accounts, Robinhood is hard to beat. Exclusive link in the description to get your free stock when you sign up. Another broker worth highlighting is Moomoo. Don't let the playful name fool you. This platform means business. Moomoo is one of the few brokers offering access not just to US stocks, but also to Chinese and Hong Kong markets, all from one account. They currently advertise up to 60 free stocks with a qualified deposit, plus an 8.1% APY on idle cash. The pros are clear: a powerful platform for global investing, generous sign-up rewards, and advanced tools that appeal to both beginners and professionals. The cons? It's not as beginner-friendly as something like SoFi or Public, and the interface can feel overwhelming at first. But if you're serious about diversifying globally and want some of the highest cash yields on the market, Moomoo is a fantastic option. Don't forget to use the exclusive description link for the latest promotions. Coming in next is Moby, and this one is all about expert analysis. With Moby, you're not just getting another brokerage app, you're getting stock picks and insights from former hedge fund investors. The advantage is access to professional-grade research, visual lessons, and even bite-sized courses. Thousands of users rate it highly, and they even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. The flip side? Moby is subscription-based, so there's an ongoing cost. Plus, it's more focused on research and strategy than hands-on trading. Still, if you want hedge fund-level insights at your fingertips, Moby is a strong complement to whichever broker you choose. Link in the description for 50% off their premium plan. Last but not least, Acorns. Acorns is perfect for people who don't want to think about investing every day. It rounds up your everyday purchases and automatically invests the spare change. For just $3 a month, you get automated investing, online banking, bonus investments from top brands, and access to simple expert-led courses. The pros are automation, simplicity, and no hidden fees. The cons are that the fees can be high for very small balances, and advanced traders might find it limiting. But for beginners who want to dip their toes in and let investing happen on autopilot, Acorns is one of the most user-friendly options out there. Link below to start building your portfolio today. So there you have it, the best online stock brokers for 2025. Whether you want a generous sign-up bonus with SoFi, flexible investing through Public, expert insights with Motley Fool, or a powerful global platform like Moomoo, there's a broker here that fits your style. The most important thing is this: don't just sit on the sidelines. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time, and thanks to these platforms, it's easier than ever. Remember, all the exclusive links are in the description below. Many of them include special bonuses or discounts you won't find anywhere else. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more of our deep dives into investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.